This is my last day at the beach. We head home tomorrow. I've really enjoyed it, and I've done some videos that I think are pretty valuable. Next week I'm going to take a individual look at each of the big 6 stocks that I have and what I think their performance is going to be next year. I'm going to start with Amazon, which I think is going to be one of my big performers for the year. And then I'm going to move on to Apple and Microsoft and basically give you an idea of what I think you should expect from the market in the coming year. It's going to be driven, as far as I'm concerned, by a few major factors. The first one of which is this can never happen again. And that is to say that the coronavirus, there will be a meeting of the minds of the people of the world, and a decision will be made. We've got to come to peace with each other and kind of come up with a way to make sure that a pandemic does not destroy our economies ever again, much as we did shortly after World War II. We've avoided having world wars as a result of that, and I think we will do similar action to avoid having another pandemic, and you need to keep that in mind. The second thing that is going to make a change is 5G, and 5G is going to be a major pusher of those people who gather data and then sort that data and do whatever with that data to make our lives better, one of which is never allow a pandemic to happen again. And then the other element is the electric vehicle world. That is going to change our world dramatically, and it's going to open China up to the United States, much as we have Japanese cars after World War II, and I drive 2 German vehicles, which my dad would roll over in his grave. No, probably not now, but he would have back in the late 40s. So those are the 3 things that I think that are going to drive the stock market over the next year. And I fully expect to get a return in excess of 33% on my investments over the next year. And I expect at the same time to have a very good year in my real estate development and probably put an additional $200,000 into the stocks that I am buying. The other thing that I'm also focusing on is biotech. I believe that there is going to be a movement to change the way we live and the length of time we live. Some of you are going to live to be 150 years old, and you're going to be as in good a shape as I am at 76. So it's a wonderful world that we have coming in front of us, and I think there are some tremendous opportunities for those people who will invest based on what the world is going to look like in the future. Not try to find the $3 stock that's going to turn into a $6 stock. You may well do that, and it may double your money. But in the process of doing that, you'll lose twice as many times, and you'll be lucky to come out with any gain at all. So as the sun is setting in the background here, I'm going to say goodbye for my visit here at the beach, and wish you the best of investing. Stick with me. If this is the kind of thing that you like and the kind of information you want, give me a like down there on the bottom, and join our channel. That's just below the video there. Hit the join, and that monthly $3.99 will go to my charitable foundation to support the memory of my daughter and to help me be a part in finding a cure for cancer. Thanks for the view. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the subscription. And let's do this again next year at the latest. We might come back down here sometime in the winter.